In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Python on your Windows 10. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys. Now let's get started. Now what you need to do first is to go to your search browser. I'm going to Chrome. Then on the search for Python. Then you need to go to this first link, python.org. So open it. Then it will bring you to this website. Now you need to click on downloads. Then here you are going to see the list of downloads that you can download. So at the top here you are going to see download latest version for Windows, but also there is for Linux, Mac and others. So you are going to click on download Python. The version is 3.13.2. So I'm going to click on download button. Then the download will begin at the top there. So once the download has finished, you need to click on the file. Just click on it once. Then this pop-up will come. Now just click on run. Then click on the first option, install now. Then this Windows security pop-up will come, which my screen recorded as not record. Just click on yes. Now once the installation process is complete, you need to close this. Then for you to confirm the installation, just go to your taskbar. Then on the search for Python. So you are going to see it here, guys. So that's how you can install Python on your PC, on your Windows 10.